Before you even start your GoHighLevel A2P registration, there are a few things you need to have ready. Missing just one of these items can delay your approval or get your application rejected. In this video, I'll walk through the complete A2P verification checklist so you know exactly what to prepare before submitting your application. If you want the full A2P walkthrough from start to finish, check the link in the description after this video. All right, let's get started. We don't have any DBAs. The website's in the URL. My opt-in method is clearly shown. Flow includes privacy policy terms. My website does not reference purchase or rented affiliate lead lists. So we say that, and now it's going to review the application and check the website. It just takes a minute here, and then it'll tell us if we're missing anything. And it's going to read through everything that we already put in the site and give us a checklist if we're missing something. This really helps. In the past, it wouldn't do this. So if you didn't know what you were doing, it could hold it up and you'd have to resubmit the A2P and whatnot. It would take days, sometimes weeks, if it didn't get approved right away. All right, so it's starting to come in right now. It looks like the opt-in form review is 8 out of 8, it says. Terms is 7 out of 7, 7 out of 7. So everything passed here. That's what you want to see. So I went through and it checked all these things on the form. It checked everything on the privacy policy, how we worded everything, where everything is. Terms and service, it also checked all that stuff. So here's some of the things that's checking. If you want to pause the screen here, you can look at this. But I'm not going to go through all those today. It kind of tells you what it's looking for. And so we click proceed. And this gives us a little compliance review. We're going to proceed. Now it's going to ask us to review everything again here before we submit. Everything looks good. So now we're going to submit the application. I confirm that all information provided is accurate. I understand I may be charged for resubmissions. Non-compliant, and we say confirm. So now it's going to go through. And again, if you didn't want to do this manually, you could do it through the chat widget, and it goes pretty easy to get through. So now it has a pop-up message. It says, you successfully submitted your brand. It could take up to 7 days to get approved. Like I said, I've seen this usually it's in a day or two. So we'll get emailed once it's approved, and then we can go through and do the other things too if we need to do that. So it's in progress, and that's how you do that. And then when you're done, you'll get an email saying that you're approved, and it'll look like this. The brand approved, the campaign status approved, your CNAME voice displayed on business on the outbound caller ID approved, and then you can get the caller ID authentication, call blocking, spam labeling approved also. So if that was helpful, like this video, comment below. What are you having troubles with A2P? Is there something else you want to see with your website or GoHighLevel that would be helpful to learn about? How many days did it take you to get your A2P approved? Remember, we have links below if you want us to reach out and help you along the way. We can do that. If you don't have a GoHighLevel account, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial below. And best of luck with everybody getting A2P approved.